Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, Mr. Jubair?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm very well. Thank you for asking. And you?
I'm good as well.
Okay.
So, how is everything going on?
Everything going is well. Hafizur Rahman, do you use this application daily?
Yes, brother. I try to use this application regularly.
Okay, sounds good. You are using this application daily. So, so how many time do you invest in this platform daily?
The time is not mentionable in it. Only half an hour or less than half an hour I can use.
Oh, okay, half hour, around half hour. You are using
Yes.
this application daily. Okay, I have understood. So basically, Hafizur Rahman, what do you do for a living? May I know?
Of course, according myself, I serve in private sector.
Okay, you are a job holder.
Yes, you can say that
Okay,
I'm
good.
a servant.
Good to hear. Good to hear. You are a job holder. So, Mr. Hafizur Rahman, have you finished your bachelor's degree?
Yes, I have. I have done my bachelor degree.
Sounds good. So, may I know which university did you finish your bachelor's degree?
I completed my bachelor degree from Presidency University. It's a private university.
Presidency. This situated at Dhaka?
Yes, Dhaka Gulstan.
Okay. I have understood about everything. So, Hafizur Rahman, actually, why are you learning English? Do you have a reason, specifically reason?
Yes, I have a specific reason for learning English. For building, or what should I say in the case, for building a good professional career, I am just learning English.
So sounds good. Actually, Hafizur Rahman, are you IELTS candidate?
Not indeed. Once I wish that I would take the IELTS exam, but at present I'm not thinking of it, as it takes huge amount of money and that I don't have.
Okay. Yeah, okay, you are preparing for yourself, right?
More or less, but main fact is money. What far behind from the money. That's why I'm not thinking about it right at this situation.
Okay, good. So, Mr. Have you enrolled any coaching center, particularly English coaching center?
Yes, I enrolled myself into a coaching center for learning English. It was Liakot.
Which coaching center did you admit?
I got admitted into Liakot.
Liakot.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Liaquat. Mhm. So, Mr. Hafizur Rahman, do you use social media platform?
I have ID over the Facebook, but I just hardly used it.
Okay. So, Mr. When did you start using the social media platform? May I know?
After completing my advanced level, or when I was a student of bachelor degree, I started using social network.
Okay. Sounds good. So, in my perspective, I start using this social media platform in my high school level.
I see, sounds good.
So, Mr. Hafizur Rahman, do you have a question for me? Actually, what are you doing at this moment? Maybe you are working.
Yes, you're right, absolutely right. I'm out of my residence and walking along a road. That's why we get some sound of vehicles, running vehicles.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I can hear you behind the noise.
I see. So, Mr. Jubair, could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay. First of all, myself, Jubair Rahman. I'm 26, and I'm a learner. I study at the university level. Recently, I have completed third semester, fourth semester on the way. Actually, I'm doing a BBA from private university. Hello.
And how long have you been using this platform?
Okay,
For
it's a good question for me. Actually, I'm a old user in these apps. I have been using these apps since 2025, around 1 year.
Sounds good. So, and do you have any dream of going abroad for higher study?
Actually, it's a complicated question for me. I would say yes. I have ambition when I will finish my bachelor's degree, and then I will take my IELTS exam. After that, I will apply some to university from Germany.
Oh, yes, you are dreaming for Germany.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, I see. I mean, what IELTS is permitted over there in Germany.
Actually, I haven't understood properly your question. What did you say?
I mean, it's IELTS school, IELTS exam is permitted over there in Germany.
Exactly. Do you mean IELTS exam is required?
Yes, you're
Okay,
right, absolutely right.
exactly. You are right. This exam is required. When some people apply there, it's a must be need.
Sounds good. And so far as I know, students who are from technical background
Hmm.
generally go to Germany.
Okay. Sounds good.
You feel different in this case, I guess. And how do you evaluate yourself?
Actually, Mr. My mom is calling me. I have to go now if you don't mind. And then I am so happy to be talking to you. You are amazing boy in this platform. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be talking to you. And see you soon and talk to you later. Have a good day.
Okay.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
Okay.
How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, Imran Ahmed.
Walaikum salam, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, bro, it's my pleasure. Ask to someone, how are you?
Okay, sounds good. So, by the way, Mr. Imran Ahmed, everything going is well?
Alhamdulillah, not bad.
Okay, everything is all right. So, may I know, Mr. Imran, what do you do for a living?
Basically, I'm doing nothing, and I want to make content, so that's why I'm busy about it.
Okay, what kind of content do you make?
Right now, so currently I'm making an English video because I want to improve my English skills, and nowadays I can see English is very important for me, and I can speak anyone especially, but our partner apps also very good platform for me, but it is not enough for me. That's why I want to develop myself. That's why I'm practicing and I'm making a video.
Sounds good. So, do you have a social media account like a Facebook and YouTube?
Yeah, I have
Okay, sounds
Facebook
good.
account, and I have a page. My page name is Imran the English Lover, and my Facebook account name is Imran Ahmed.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So, Mr. Imran, actually, I'm going to ask you some several questions for you. It's a daily activity. So, are you interested this topic? Actually, I am a IELTS candidate. That's why I told you. Hello.
Hi, Jubair. Bye. Hi, Jubair. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking, Sakib. How are you doing today?
I'm fantastic today. So, first of all, I want to say, if I have any mistake, please don't mind because I'm a beginner. I'm just a beginner. So,
Me also, Sakib Chaudhuri. Me also.
so your sound is really intermediate.
Oh God. Actually, I'm not good at English. To be frank, I'm not good at English. Definitely, I have to.
Really fantastic.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe I have to better speaker, and yeah, I will be a better speaker.
Okay. So, what class do you study right now?
Okay, I'm a learner. I'm 26. I study at the university level.
Okay. So, what will I say? I don't understand. I can generally write here probably.
Mhm.
So, which country will you go after complete your IELTS exam? I would prefer an IELTS exam, right?
Actually, I'm not sure which country preferable for me. Actually, I don't decide at this moment.
Okay.
When I have got my bachelor certificate, After that, IELTS score, and then I will decide.
Okay, okay, understand. So,
What about you, Mr. Sakib Soudhuri?
first of all, recently I passed my HSC. I will take it. Right now, I'm taking preparation for IELTS. After completing my IELTS, then decide what should I do and which country am I capable.
Oh, sounds good. Okay,
That's it.
are you pursuing bachelor's degree?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will go to abroad for bachelor.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. So, Mr. Sakib Chaudhuri, have you enrolled in the IELTS coaching center?
Yeah. I take preparation both, like online and self.
No. I didn't mention it. I have said, have you enrolled in the IELTS coaching center, offline coaching center?
No, I did not enroll at this moment. I enroll offline coaching center right now. Online, sorry.
Okay.
Online coaching center, as well as what will I say?
Come on, don't give up. You have to practice, right? If you want to learn English language, you have to practice, right? You have to practice. It's the best formula.
Okay. I
Don't give
understand.
up. Don't give up.
First of all, I want to say, when I talk a random person, that time I feel really worried because first of all, I think Bangla then translate in English. That's a big concern for me. So, what should I do, and what actually for need?
Okay. In my perspective, you don't follow the grammar structure. First of all, listen. A few months ago, I cannot speak English. At this time, I am able to speak English without grammar structure. How can you imagine?
Yeah.
How is this possible? And at the time, I'm able to speak English without any grammar structure.
It's good.
So I believe that
So
grammars
what
is
is
not.
the ideal way? What's the ideal way to practice?
Sorry. What did you say?
What is the ideal way to practice?
Hello.
What is the correct way?
Correct way.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct way. Definitely. You have to know basic grammar structure like be verb and basic tense like simple tense.
Okay. So,
Yep.
brother, I need to know what is my current English level, brother. Please, if you say, I will happy.
Actually, oh my God, I don't know. I have no experience. I don't have experience, particularly this field.
Okay, that's good. So, brother, where are you from, brother?
I'm from Dhaka.
Okay. So, okay, brother. Let us talk about another day.
Okay. Thank you, Mister. Thank you so much. I am so happy to be talking to you.
Okay, brother. Thanks.